They're paying the cartel for something.
Let's figure out what.
Security?
Several.
I'll deal with them.
Well, don't take all the fun, eh?
Copy. Coming your way now.
Syringe.
Poison?
Non-lethal. It'll take him out of commission.
CIA shit.
Welcome to my world. Use the needle on the guards, you may roll up our cartel friend.
And you?
Exfil. Say when.
Roger that.
06, sitrep.
Talking timeline.
When are they moving?
Tonight.
Stay on them. We need to know what it is and where it's going.
Copy.
Hold up. 2 cartel guards enter the bridge. Keep your weapons concealed. Let's see if they split up.
Good call. One's leaving.
Heading my way.
I'll tail him.
I'll take the one at the bridge.
Moving.
Oh, easy, mate. One too many, huh? Guards down. Bridge is clear.
Good work. Regroup on me.
What you want? The cargo is human. One VIP bound for the US.
Who, John?
Major Hassan Zayani.
Christ. That means he's in Mexico.
Means it's time to stop him.
We need to roll up our cartel friend for a talk. Now.
If Hassan gets a missile anywhere near the US, there'll be a death toll.
Take it.
The bloody hell is this?
Decoy grenade. It'll work. Get back to Laswell. Let's kick this off.
Down the alley. When panic starts to spread, that's when the cartel moves.
That's where I come in.
On you, Gaz.
Going loud and
Gaz, the guards are incoming. Take one, I'll get the other.
Hey! Rog. Don't fuck! Guards are down. Heading your way, Cap.
Make it fast.
I'll secure Exfil.
Meet you at the bridge.
I'm moving in. Shut your mouth. Follow me. What you want? Package secure. Heading your way.
Copy.
Cartel behind us!
Cover, Sergeant! What you want? We're taking fire. 3 hostiles to our side.
Copy. I'm inbound. Be advised, police are on the way. 3 minutes out.
Clear.
Guys, bring the syringe. Speed it the fuck up, Sergeant. Jab him. Let's get him up. Watch out. Time to move.
Copy. On my way.
Get him in.
Nice work.
You too.
We need to find where they're moving Hassan and intercept him.
Yeah, we'll wake him up. Have a little chat.
How do we know we'll talk?
I can be very persuasive.